Right guys, buckle in because I'm going to tell you all of what's happening this Easter weekend. There's so much, so listen up. Friday at noon in Bilston Town Centre, outside Greggs to be specific, we're going to be having a Churches Together service and you're all welcome to join us for that. So join us in the town centre outside Greggs, grab a sausage roll and join us. And then in the evening at 7 p.m, we've got our Good Friday service here at Excel Church where we'll be taking communion and remembering what the Lord has done for us. And then we're going to have, on Saturday morning, we're going to have a Cannock Chase lovely walk in the morning together as a church family, 10:30 over there. So meet us there if you're going to join us, or if you need a space on the minibus, there's limited available, but you have to book online for that and let us know. So do that today, don't delay. Oh, that rhymed. And on Sunday, we have our usual services, but our special Easter services. So we've got 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. Now that is absolutely everything, so we definitely will enjoy seeing you at one or all of those. Uplift, ladies, this one is for you, where we're going to be hanging out on Saturday the 22nd of April in the afternoon, hanging out together just as ladies. We're going to be having some pre-love clothing sold there. We're going to be having some pampering, spa treatments, all sorts. Ladies, it's for you. So come along. You've just got to register online. I think it's a £1 fee. So have a look online and come along for that and let us know if you've got any clothes to donate. Do that ASAP and talk to Sonia if you have any more questions. So we'll see you for that on the 22nd of April.
Steady this heart, open my eyes to all that you are. Your grace, so good, your love, so good.
Guys, the Easter holidays are here, which means all our activities for toddlers, for kids and for youth are all coming on a break for the next 2 weeks, but we'll be back soon, so don't worry. But that means it's 180, it's G-Force, and it's Noah's Ark, Stay and Play, all on a break. So have a good one and we'll see you when we're back. Vamos a España, amigos. Listen, if you are interested in our Spain mission trip, you need to get your application and deposit in by the 16th of April, okay? And that's not that far away. So if you are interested, and if you haven't yet got a form for that, speak to Dan. He'll send you the form and give you a paper copy if you want one, but they must be in by the 16th of April. So let's get ready for our Spain mission trip, guys. So that's all for church news this week, and usually we would have had Next Level this Saturday on like the second Saturday of the month, but we're knocking it back a week later because it is the Easter weekend. So just make a note of that. It's not this week, it will be the following week. And that's it. So if you need any more information about what's going on, check our social media and our website, and have a great week, guys.